Hi, hello friends. Welcome to our Skill Courses channel. In today's video, we will discuss about how to earn $399 in per AI images. So, let me discuss this topic until the end. So, let's we go to our computer screen. So, my number one topic point is that Etsy. Etsy is the best platform for selling your online AI images. So, let me discuss this. So I will go to here in Google Chrome. Then I will type here Etsy. Then you see here, this is the first website. You can see Etsy India shop, handmade, vintage and customs. So I will click on this. You see here, this kind of window get open like this. So Etsy is the best for personalized gifts, baby gifts, birthday gifts, anniversary, weddings, gift for your grandma or anything. So these are the best for selling your images or photos or any kind of albums. So in these platforms. So first of all, you have to sign up over here and then you have to create your own seller account in Etsy. So this is the first way you can earn in this kind of website. So my second website is Wirestock Contributor. So let me see that. So again I will go here in Google Chrome. Then I will type here Wirestock Contributor. And then I will enter it. Wirestock content monetize your creativity and sell photos and virtual online. This is the best platform for you can sell your AI images. So I will click on here Wirestock. Then here you see your dashboard get open over here. You can see here it is your dashboard. Upload your first shot. Means you have to upload one image over here. Suppose I will go here in my desktop. Okay, I will go here and okay, wait a minute. Then okay, you can see here I will click on this. Okay, I will click on here and then I will drag over here. Then I will publish it. So this is the first images you can upload from here, and you want to first of all complete your this profile. Okay, you can select your photo dimension over here. You can create your own biodata. Then Instagram profile you can add it. After update your profile, then you can paste your photos or any kind of photos over here, AI photos over here. So AI tools, if you want to create an AI tool, so you can use this kind of AI tools also. That's of you have to upgrade this kind of platform here. Premium plan is $7 and premium AI price go up to $14.99. So it is yearly basis, or you can have to monthly basis. You can add in monthly basis, and if you want to yearly basis, you can add from yearly basis also. So this is the best platform for this. If you want to go to the dashboard, you can see your dashboard are show over here. What's about your earning balance and referrals? You can see here. Then you can see here in select date range from the last 7 days how much people download your AI images. Last 30 days how much people are download. All time you can see select the date range from that to that things. So you can see over here. So then you can see here again collection, how much collection you are collected from your earning photo, how much people download this kind of your image, how much earning you will get it, what are challenges are get creative AI tools. So you can see here like this. Okay, so my next topic is Shutterstock. So this is the Shutterstock is the best website for your selling your photos or any kind of AI videos. So if you don't know knowledge about how to sell your photos in online, so click on this I button and watch that video. So Shutterstock is the best platform for selling the photos. So I will go here in Shutterstock Contributor. Shutterstock Contributor. So you can see here Shutterstock Contributor. I will select this. Then you can get started, or you have to log in. If you want to log in, you can log in. Suppose you have to create, then submit, then you can get the payment. Okay, I will log in over here. You can see a Shutterstock Contributor site get open like this. You can upload any kind of images from your upload options. Then you can upload any kind of assets or upload any kind of photos or any kind of videos you can upload from here. And then you can see over here earning options. Earning with summary, you can earn the summaries by month, by product and adjustment. So by month you can see here, then in 2023 how much you can earn from this in 2023, in 2024 in June, so how much you can earn from this June, you can see over here. You can see on insets option. Then you can add your portfolios like catalogs and submits and all this kind of you can add from here. So you can add a catalog manager also there. You can review your content also, pending content, which kind of content get pending. So you can see over here. Then submit content, how much people are submit your, how much content you are submitted, how much you can upload this kind of upload from here. So you can see all the details from your in dashboards. So this is the third way you can earn $399 in per AI images. Then my number fourth last point is that AI art shop. AI art shop is the best, also get best platform for your images or your selling your photos. Or so I will type here AI art shop. Then I will enter it. Then you see here, this is a AI art shop, AI painting created by thousands of digital artists. You can see here. Then you can click on this platform. Then you can click over here. Then you can see here, this site get open like this. Okay. Then you see here AI art gallery. You are show over here. Then you are AI art. Suppose if you want to as an artist, so you have to go here AI artist. Join here AI artist. So I will click on the join. I join the AI artist. Then you can start the selling over here. Then you have to create the account. Suppose you have to, if you want to join now, so click on the join now button. Then you have to create the seller name, the email, password and confirmation password, and then you can sign up your create the account. But I will create the name. So if you don't know how to create this submail, so you can click on this I button and watch that video. This is submail and I am create how we can create the submails to multiple websites. So click on this I button and watch that entire video also. Then I will create my password. So I will sign up with my terms and condition. I am not a robot and I will create the account. You can see your dashboard get open like this. You can see here. Okay, I will don't show again and I will close this. You can see here your dashboard will get show like this. Then you can your configuration, general configuration, invoices, or how much sales you can see here, how much AI image are sale over here. You can see here sales. This week how much sale, this month here how much sale, in this year how much you can sell this. Okay, you can see here top sold products, which are top sold products are show over here. Recent orders, then out of stocks order are show over like this. Then you can see here products, product listing. If you want to listing your product, you can product listings, product type, collection, how much collection are show over. Orders, order listing, order payments, commission listings, then REMA listings, DRFT orders. These are show over in profile. You can see my account payment details are also shown. For you go to payment details, you can select the payment method, PayPal or any kind of. This website are in all over in world, so you can get the payment in using PayPal. So if you want to give them feedbacks, so customer feedbacks, you can also give the link to the customer as a customer feedbacks. So merchant notification you can also get. If you want to order the listing, you can order their listings. So this is a fourth way you can earn $399 in per AI images. So if you like my informative video, so please like it, share it and subscribe my channel for more informative video. So thank you.